Hi, I'm Jennie with CocoaDaisy, and in this video, we're unboxing the Journaling, Deluxe Journaling, and Stationery Kits from the October 2026 October Afternoon collection. Let's dig into the October Afternoon Journaling Kit. This kit is wonderful, and I think that you will absolutely agree. One of the best parts about the journaling kit is that it is designed to be a low profile kit. So if you don't love a lot of bulk on your pages, if you prefer flat elements, this is absolutely a kit you should take a closer look at. This kit comes with 2 sheets of rub-on transfers. If you're not familiar with rub-on transfers, you simply cut out the image that you wish to use. Then, with the popsicle stick on the back, you remove the backing, put the image on your project, and then use the popsicle stick to rub it onto your project. As you can see, there's so many fun images included this month. They're just absolutely beautiful. Now, the journaling kit also comes with the Journaling Kit sticker kit, which is a set of stickers that are printed on vellum sticker paper. There are some stickers in here that are purely decorative and some that are a little bit more functional. So for example, we have this beautiful decorative sheet that has both the washi type strips and then these decorative images. A sheet of alphabet stickers that have the whole alphabet in a very nice, beautiful neutral tone. We have a sheet that is a full sheet. This is one large sticker. So you can cut it up, you can add it to different portions, you can use like metal dies to cut out different shapes, lots of different options there. We also have a sheet that has both the days of the week, the dates, and then a handful of label stickers. A sheet that is very, very popular that includes a whole bunch of torn type images. So for example, you can see like all these little different corners and then some little different spots. They're just absolutely so inventive and really cool. And then yet another sheet of decorative images that include the phrases with images and then washi type strips. There is also a very beautiful decorative card that is printed on like textured watercolor type paper. And then on the back, it also includes 10 journaling prompts. And then last but not least, we have a roll of washi tape. So this particular roll of washi tape is like a gold polka dot pattern. However, it's more those organic polka dots, not really uniform dots. But as you can see, it is a wonderful match to the colors and then the patterns that are included in this kit. So this is the October Afternoon Journaling Kit, and you can see photos, project ideas, and digital renderings of the kit on our website. Let's check out the October Afternoon Deluxe Journaling Kit. Alrighty, so this kit comes with so many items. The first is the patterned papers. These are folded and scored, and they are also double-sided. In addition, these are also found in our planner kit. So the first one has this lovely design, the scattered leaves and stems, and there's also some pine cones and things like that. And then the inside features this lovely green crosshatch pattern, kind of a linen type pattern. The next is this multicolored stripe, and the other side features all of these different multicolored leaves in different shades of browns and oranges and blues. And it also has a background stripe that is faint and perfect, really, because it gives a little bit of extra interest, but it's not overwhelming in any way. All right, and then last but not least, we have this really fun sheet. And when you unfold it, this side features this sort of linen with also a little bit of the distressing and the watercolor. And then when you turn it over, it has this herringbone wood grain pattern. All right, so next up, we also have a couple of sheets of more simple or neutral patterned papers that are exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit. You won't find these in any of our other kits, and they are really, really wonderful for layering. All right, we have another couple of exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit items. And the first is the specialty paper, which is this really lovely pink. It's just very interesting and unique. And then this is this leaves gold foil on vellum. Isn't that gorgeous? I know that in one of her projects this month, Christine cut out some of the leaves and like tucked them behind things, and it looked really fantastic. Now, we also have 2 sheets of our run-on transfers included in this kit. And these are also found in our journaling kit as well. All right, now there is also a sheet of PET stickers. I'm gonna push the rest of these up just for a second so we can take a look at these. Look how cute these are. They're a very thin material and they are kiss cut, so all you have to do is peel them off and use them. And I do love these because there's no roll to store. So you have this sheet of really lovely, super thin, low profile stickers, but then you don't have to worry about storing an entire roll, which can sometimes be a little bit tricky. All right, next we have our Vellum sticker kit, and this sticker kit is also included in our journaling kit. It features both decorative stickers like this one here and this one. But it also has, for example, these alphabet stickers. And then there is a sheet of these torn edges. So some of them are corners, and then some of them are a little, just like it looks like you tore off the top of a piece of patterned paper. We also have a sheet of the days of the week. And then lastly, this is a full sticker sheet. So you can cut it, you can use it as it is, or you could use like metal dies and like cut different shapes out of it as well. Now there is also a lovely decorative card, and this is printed on like a heavier weight textured paper, which is very similar to like a watercolor type paper. And then on the back, there are 10 journaling prompts as well. Alrighty, next up we have our sticky notepad. So this one is really fun because, as you can see here, it has the morning, afternoon, evening, and then 3 different shades, but then also the cute little pumpkins and the florals. It's just all really pretty and very interesting, and it's going to be a lot of fun to add like in projects, but then also obviously just as reminders and things like that. Okay, so we also have a package of die cut stickers, and these are also included in our planner kit. And there's just a wide variety here. So for example, we have the mug, but then we also have girls and the trees with leaves. There's just a lot of variety of different types of images included. So like the little books, and there's definitely the pops of blue and pink, in addition to the orange and browns and greens. Now, these die cuts do also contain not only all these really nice decorative images, but it also does contain the tabs as well. They're each a different pattern, and they are the larger size than the ones that come in the Creative kit. Okay, we also have a roll of washi tape, and this one is included only in this particular kit. And it is just a lovely floral mix. It's very pretty and includes the oranges and the browns and the greens, but then also some pops of blues and pinks and brighter greens. It's absolutely fantastic. All right, then last but not least, we have a stamp that is also exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit. And it's going to be a fun one to use in a variety of ways and projects. It simply says fall is here, and it looks handwritten, which is also really, really fun. So this is the October Afternoon Deluxe Journaling Kit, and you can see photos, digital renderings, and project ideas for this kit on our website. How about we open up the October Afternoon Stationery Kit? This is a extra fun one this month. I always love the stationery kit because it includes so many different fun things, but I think this month is just wonderful. Let me show you why I think so. Okay, so we first have a sheet of printed vellum. Look how pretty that is with all those different designs and just lots and lots of lovely colors. We also have a printed sheet of acetate. So think like an old school like projector, or if you're not familiar with an acetate, but I'm sure most of you probably are. So you can see it has the little cow and the brightly colored leaves, and it's just really, really wonderful and very, very colorful. We also have a sheet of PET stickers, and you can see here that they are beautiful, but they are also, you can just peel them right off the sheet. Now we also have 3 sheets of stickers. So we have a decorative sheet that features a lot of the girls that are included in this collection. We have one that features pumpkins, like very, very like beautiful, the white and some blush, things like that. And then we also have a sheet of days of the week stickers as well. Alrighty, then we have a package of die cut stickers. These are on our Vellum. These are Vellum die cut stickers, and that makes them wonderful because they're a little bit lower profile, and also then they are a little bit, what's the word? You know, like you can see through them a little bit. I'm just blanking on what that word is, but you have a stack of books, this lovely lady, the little black cat cannot be forgotten in October. We have another woman, and look at even the detail on the jackets is so pretty. And then a big door, a candle, a lovely sort of pinky blush coral pumpkin, white and orange or coral or whatever color you want to call those beautiful pumpkins. We have a teapot and a teacup, a mug full of something, either coffee or hot chocolate, a bunch of florals. So pretty, right? And like this one features like the little acorns at the bottom too. It's really so cute and lots of fun. All right, now we also have a sticky notepad. I love this because I think it's going to be wonderful for like basically everything, journaling, planning, scrapbooking, all the things. And of course, as always, there's lots and lots of sheets of those included. We have a grosgrain ribbon clip. I feel like it's been a minute since we've had one of these, and it is cute as I remember this type of thing being. And then we have our little pin. Hopefully you can see that little guy, the black cat, and it says here and now on it, and he also has a orange background. Okay, so now we have 2 more things. We have a roll of washi tape and a roll of PET stickers. So I'm going to show you the roll of PET stickers, and I think you're going to love this as much as I do because I think it's full of so many incredible, really usable images. So we have along here, if you take a look, there are so many different types of images. So it looks like, you know, torn papers, torn tapes. Then you have like this little received stamp, a little like kind of corner, a postmark, and then this is where it starts again. So like this is basically a full loop of the tape. So lots and lots of just really, really usable stickers, like, and as of course there is a full roll included. So just so many stickers. that you are getting in the stationery kit. And then last but not least is the roll of washi, which is just stunningly beautiful. It has all of these different leaves and pumpkins and gourds in just sort of some non-traditional-ish colors. I even hesitate to say non-traditional because there are oranges, there are greens and browns. It's just that, like, you know, there's some pink and some white too. And so that really sort of softens maybe the look of it. It's very beautiful, and I think this is going to be extraordinarily fun to play with throughout the month of October and the rest of the fall as well. So this is the October Afternoon Stationery Kit, and if you'd like to see photos, digital renderings, or project ideas, you can find all of those on our website.